I just arrived at Hannah's apartment. I'm in the car right now. We're planning on baking and doing some errands while my mom and Rachel work. So yeah, about to go in. I just realized that everything Hannah asked me to bring, I forgot. So back home we go. I got this stuff now. Now I can, oh, it's a bad angle. Now I can actually go back so we can start. He knows when you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. I'm finally here and she's watching our Fat 5 vlogs. So we're making the pretzel Hershey Kiss M&M things. Have you ever heard of them or not? My whole mouth is because I just tried her one like Oreo truffle thing she made yesterday. So first step is you line up pretzels on there, and I'm unwrapping the Hershey Kiss and you put it on the pretzel. We'll show you the steps. So they came out of the oven after 45 minutes, and then we pressed the M&Ms on top of them, and now we put them in the fridge. Okay, our second project is to make these brownies. So we have to figure out how to cut it. Ooh, baby. Here's it cut. Hannah's making the icing coloring right now.
Is it gonna need any more green or?
No, I think it's okay.
Can you shut this?
Why are these brownies so thick?
I don't know. I mean, I'm fudgy.
Like usually brownies are. This looks like cake. Is it not?
Can you shut this? I keep spinning it round and round on one truck.
Because you don't spin it, you push.
This might be a triangle that doesn't pass.
Can I just try a little piece of this? This one's a bad one.
Yeah, why? Are you worried about it?
Yeah. A little bit.
What?
Try it.
What's wrong with it?
Looks like cake.
It's a little thick. Okay, icing, get down there. Okay, I'm going for it.
Go ahead. Brownies are a little thick. That's what it looks like. And here's the final. They ended up looking cute. We ran a few errands and we came back and Hannah got some McDonald's because she wanted a Coke because her head was hurting, and I just cooked some of Hannah's leftovers from her dinner last night to eat. So I'm just now leaving Hannah's and I'm about to go. I got home. I kind of just been sitting on the couch going back and forth because my dad came home, but now I'm cleaning my room and putting my clothes away. There's all my gifts for everyone just stacked in my room. It's taking up a wall space, but it's okay. We are now getting ready to go on a car ride. We're gonna go pick up Hannah and then go look at Christmas lights, and Sydney's gonna come with us. Woohoo!
Oh, it must be the house. You see them in the...
Yeah. We made a pit stop at the store, and hi, it's Mom's best day ever. She found molasses.
So, since we've been home from Museum Lights, I made fudge with the fantasy fudge recipe on the back of Krat Jet puffed marshmallow thing. And I'm heating up some milk because a friend of ours brought over some cocoa bombs. This is s'mores. This I think is chocolate. And this is unicorn. So we'll let you know how it turns out. We're excited.
Oh, there we go.
Nice.
23. So after the hot chocolate bombs were really good, at least mine was, and they were really sweet too, which like I like sweet stuff, so it was good. And then we just watched Elf. I painted my nails, and we just tried to get in the Christmas spirit, you know. And yeah, now we're going to bed so we can wake up tomorrow and do all of our exciting Christmas Eve activities. So we'll see you then. Bye.